For the longest time, you thought something was wrong with you, that maybe you were too much, or maybe not enough. You replayed every word, every silence, wondering what part of you made love leave. But the truth is, you were never hard to love. You were simply with people who didn't know how to hold the kind of love you carried. Some hearts can't meet yours where it is, no matter how much you give. And that's not a reflection of your worth. Love isn't about twisting yourself into someone else's idea of enough. It's about being seen as you are, messy, complicated, radiant, and still being chosen. The wrong people will make you doubt that. The right ones will remind you it was never a question. So, no, you weren't hard to love. They just weren't ready. They just didn't know how. And one day, you'll meet someone who does. Someone who will see you clearly. Not because you earned it, but because that's what real love does.